Hello my brothers and sisters. Other calls you viewers or YouTubers, but I call you brothers and sisters cause you are always here with me. In today's video I'm going to be talking about a complete Molle tactical survival kit that gives you all you ever needed for your camping and hiking activity. Stay with me, I'll be right back. Welcome back everybody. Thank you for sticking with me. Yes, now let's dive right into today's topic. As said earlier, I'm going to be talking about your all-in-one survival kit. Stay with me to the end of the video. At the end of this video there's going to be a giveaway exclusively for you watching. If you're watching this channel for the first time, make sure you press the subscribe button down below at your right hand corner for PC users, and up left corner for mobile device users, as well as the notification icon so you don't miss any of our new episode, our deals and our whopping offers and giveaway. To participate you must be a subscriber. Leave a comment below and share this video using the share tools down below. Upgraded all-in-one Molle emergency survival kit. With more than 12 features. Features 1. First aid supply, wound pad, alcohol pad. Features 2. SOS flashlight with 3 function mode function. Features 3. Self-defense tactical pen. Features 4. Folding knife. Features 5. Golden compass. Features 6. Anti-insect emergency blanket. Features 7. Whistle. Features 8. Water bottle clip. Features 9. Multifunctional Saber Card. Features 10. Mini LEDs. Features 11. Wire saw. Features 12. Military elastic tape. Features 13. Tactical bag. This is a complete travel camp kit, tools useful for camping, travel, adventure, survival and other emergency outdoor. With a golden compass, no longer lost in the wilderness nor got missing during your hiking. Happy hiking with confidence that you can easily get to your destination as well as retracing your steps back to your base or back home without any trouble. The multifunctional tungsten steel pressure tip tactical pen. This pen has varieties of functions such as writing. It can also be used as car emergency survival. Also can be used as self-defense. The multifunctional Saber Card is an all-in-one card that has various usefulness. This card has a can opening part that can be used to easily open your canned foods. It also has a knife edge that can serve as a cutting tools while camping. It also has a ruler edge for accurate measurement. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification icon for exclusive offers and deals, and down below is the coupon code for your 15% discount. All our products are free shipping. The flashlight has 3 modes of functionality depending on your action and what you want it to do. First, double press for a bright light. Second time, double press to dim the light. and for emergency flashing light you double press the third time. Due to shipping policy, battery are forbidden in summer, so battery is not included in the package. However, we get you covered with our 15% discount. Press the subscribe button and the notification icon so as to get our timely deal and offers. Down the link below is the coupon code for the discount to be used as for your 15% at checkout. Yes. Thank you for watching. As promised earlier at the beginning of this video, today's giveaway will be 50% discount and free shipping for this Molle Survival Tactical Kit. Believe me, you can't get the same amount of offer in any store. There is a link below at the description. Follow the link at checkout, you type in the coupon code. We're our store. More deals and offers are still coming. Once again, don't forget to press the subscription button and the notification icon so as not to miss our exclusive offers and deals. Thank you.